Press it. Okay. Wait for Daddy. First, we will get the eggs. Hey. You crack the egg here in the bowl. Open. We're done there. Oh, it's okay. No, they're just like that. It's okay. Open. 2 hands. Down. Next. Oh, don't pull away. Wait. It's okay. We will wash hand. Open again. Huh? Wait. The shell's gonna fall. Open. Archie. Oh, now we wash hand. Yes.
It's to Archie.
It's to Archie. Sorry. Now you whisk the egg. Whisk.
Did you make tiny eggs?
You hold the bowl, hold like that.
Keep on.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, put salt. 2 hands, with 2 hands.
What are you gonna make?
And then, pepper. Okay, that's enough. Now whisk again.
I just want to play the egg. I want to play the egg.
Play? Cook?
Eat the egg.
Now? Oh, whisk more, whisk more. Hi, video. I got these.
What you doing?
Cooking.
Also the
Salsa is
fried
cooking. Are you still whisking? Whiskey. Popsicle. That is Sasa. And now Sasa will put oil on the pan. Okay? Say hi to the video.
Hi.
Hi, baby.
Hi, video.
Put this oil.
Did you have the oil?
Yeah. And then Sasa will put the egg.
Okay.
Okay, turn off. Switch this off. Yes! Now, we are done cooking. Oh, wait a minute. Stand up. We will put it on a plate. Okay? Now, Sasa will put it on a plate. Okay? Hold this. And this one on the other side. Okay? There. Done. Hold this. Show to the camera. We have an egg! Sure to I'll calm down.
I made it.
Ooh! Sasa cook an egg for mommy!
Thank you, girl.
Yay!
This looks nice. Thank you.
Can I try?
Can you give me some?
The very hot.
How's it, mommy?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Whoa!
Me too.
Oh, Sasa. Oh, mommy, you give to Sasa.
Me too. You blow it.
How's your egg?
Look at the camera.
How's it? You chew?
Chew!
Ay, Sata! Ngek.
First time to eat it.
Wow.
Niluto
Let's see. How's it? It's hot. Ah. No, it's hot. It's yummy because Sasa cooked it. Wow. It's so
You
yum.
swallowed the egg!
Yeah.
Want more? Oh.
Ay, ite.
Um,
Seafood. Ay, yung isda hindi eh, no?
Huh? How's it?
Yummy.
Oh, it's so yummy egg. Oh, it's almost finished.